Today, we will learn Google Tag Manager. Here's the first lesson. I want to try to teach you GTM step by step from today. So, in the first lesson, the topic will be discussed understanding Google Tag Manager. First, we learn what is Google Tag Manager. Second, advantages of Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager account structure. Then, what are tags, what are triggers, what are variables. At first, we will learn about what is Google Tag Manager. To understand GTM, we have to understand the tracking process before GTM. Here, the structure. We can track any action or event from website and send it to the third-party services like Google Analytics for Google Ads, Facebook, or any other third-party services. Here, website is considered as data source. If we track any action or data from website, we have to implement tags. What is tag? We will learn later in details. Here I am talking about the tag very simply. It's a code or HTML script. If we track any action, what is action? It's the any event taken by users of a website like homepage visit or any other page or visit a product page or add to cart or view card or proceed checkout. These are the user's action or event. We can track all the data like purchase, checkout, any page visit or click by users. So every event can be sent on a third party services GA4 or Google Ads or Facebook or any other platform. If we track all these actions, we have to implement the tag or code on website every time. For every action needs different code. So if we want to track all the event from website, we have to implement the tags, all tags on the website backend. So we have to need help the developer every time. This is very uh, hassle to track the event or conversion from website to any other platform without GTM. So we understand the GTM. Here is the structure to track any events. Website and any third-party platform, we use GTM. GTM is a free tool from Google where we can manage every tag. For this, we have to first implement the GTM, i.e. container code snippet to implement in the website once. Then we need not to help the developer for every implement other uh, snippet code or tags to implement the website. We can all the tasks here. We will learn it in details from practical. What is GTM? Where we manage, how we manage the tags from here. Okay, the structure of Google Tag Manager. If we have a Google account, we can create many GTM account. Under every account have many container. Under every container have tags, trigger, and variable. What is container? Container is a tag, and we implement this tag or code snippet in website. First, we implement the tag or code snippet on the website from a container. Okay. Now we can understand tags, triggers, and variables. Tag. Tag is the actual code snippet from a third-party tools like Google Analytics for Meta or Facebook Pixel, Google Ads, conversion tags. Trigger. Trigger is a rule or condition. Triggers a rule or a condition that determines when or where a tag should be fired. Let's we go to a demo website. When we click the home, we visit the shop page. Here is the shop text in URL, i.e., when we visit shop, here is the text in the URL shop. We can say when in the URL contains shop, this action or event is fired. This is the trigger. We will learn the trigger very deeply later. Now we learn the variable. What is the variable? Variable, here we select a product. The price of this product is $28. This product price is $18.90. This product price is $20.50. Now we want to track the price of these products. These products price are not same. So when we track the value of the product, then then uh, we have create the uh, value that varies like $18, $18.90, $20.50. This is the variable, the interface of Google Tag Manager. Here I have a container named Shubhecha Web Container. Under this container, I we see that here is the tags, triggers, and variables. Tags. When we go to the tags section, we see that GA4, i.e. Google Analytics 4, here is some GA4 tags and Google Ads tags. Trigger. I have created it for add to cart, for payment info, for add shipping info, for begin checkout, for purchase, for view cart, for view item. Trigger. When we go to the variable section, here we see that there have two types of variable: built-in variables and user-defined variables. What is built-in variables? What is user-defined variables? It's the default variables from Google Tag Manager. User-defined variables are the variables we can say it are custom variables we can create for our need. We will learn in detail later. So here is the interface of GTM. Here is many account what I created before. We next lesson we will learn how we can create a GTM account and a container step by step. So no more today. Thank you very much.